Stop right there. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Don't just walk away like that. Why do you act like I don't exist? I'm your father, and lately it feels like you don't respect me anymore. I'm not trying to ignore you. I'm just tired of having the same conversation again and again. Every time we talk, it turns into an argument. And honestly, I don't want that right now. That's exactly what I mean. You avoid me. You don't listen. You don't respond properly. This is not how a son should behave. When I talk, you should pay attention, not act like it doesn't matter. I do listen. I just don't agree with everything you say. And when I try to explain myself, you don't really listen either. It always feels like your opinion is the only one that matters. Because I have more experience. I've lived more. I know how things work. You're still young. You don't understand life yet. And I'm trying to guide you before you make mistakes. But that's the problem. You don't guide me, you control everything. There's a difference between helping someone and deciding everything for them. I'm not controlling you, I'm protecting you. The world is not easy. And if I don't teach you discipline, no one will. Protection shouldn't feel like pressure all the time. Sometimes it feels like I can't even think for myself without you correcting me. So now I'm the problem? After everything I've done for you, after all the sacrifices, you're telling me I'm the problem? I didn't say you are the problem. I'm saying the way you treat me sometimes feels like I'm not allowed to be myself. That's not true. I just expect respect. Basic respect. That's all I'm asking for. Respect goes both ways. It's not just about me listening to you, it's also about you listening to me. I do listen to you. You just don't like what I say, so you call it not listening. No, you hear me, but you don't really understand me. You already have your answer before I even finish speaking. You've changed a lot. Before, you used to listen, you used to respect me, you used to care about what I said. Now it feels like you don't care at all. I didn't change. I just started thinking for myself. And when I do that, you don't like it. Because sometimes your decisions don't make sense. And I can see where they will lead you. I don't want you to fail. But it's my life. Even if I fail, I need to learn from my own mistakes, not just follow everything you say. And what if your mistakes destroy your future? What if one bad decision changes everything? You don't think about that. I do think about that all the time, but I can't live my life based only on fear. It's not fear, it's reality. Life is hard. And if you don't understand that now, you will suffer later. I already feel pressure every day from school, from life, from everything. And when I come home, I feel even more pressure from you. I push you because I believe in you. I know you can do better. I know you can be more. And I don't want you to waste your potential. Sometimes it doesn't feel like belief. It feels like I'm never enough, no matter what I do. That's not true. I'm proud of you. I just don't say it all the time because I want you to keep improving. Maybe that's the problem. You never say it. You only point out what's wrong. And after a while, that's all I hear. You think this is easy for me? You think being a father is simple? I'm trying my best, even if I don't do everything perfectly. I know, I know you try, but sometimes trying is not enough if it hurts the other person. So, what do you want from me? Tell me clearly, because right now I feel like I'm losing you. I don't want you to lose me. I just want you to understand me. Then explain it to me. Because right now, all I see is distance. I see a son who doesn't respect his father anymore. You keep saying, I don't respect you, but you don't understand what that word means to me. What does that mean? Respect is simple. You listen, you value what I say, you don't ignore me. No, that's not respect. That's obedience. That's doing what someone says because you have to. And what's wrong with that? That's how discipline works. Because that's not real respect. Okay, then what is, according to you? Respect is choosing to listen, not being forced to. Respect is trusting someone, not being afraid of them. What are you trying to say? You say, I don't respect you anymore. But the truth is, I never really respected you. What? What did you just say? I didn't respect you. I was afraid of you. I did what you said because I didn't want problems, not because I believed in you. So, everything, all these years, that was just fear? Yes, I didn't want to disappoint you. I didn't want you to get angry. I didn't want conflict. So I stayed quiet and followed everything. And now, now I'm tired of being afraid all the time. I want to speak. I want to think. I want to live without feeling like I'm doing something wrong every second. I I never wanted you to be afraid of me. I thought I was teaching you strength. Maybe you were, but it didn't feel like a strength. It felt like pressure, like I couldn't breathe sometimes. I I didn't see it that way. I thought I was doing the right thing. I know you did. And I'm not saying you're a bad father. I'm just saying the way we are now, it's not working. So, what do we do now? We start again, but differently. Not with fear, not with control, with communication. That's not easy for me. It's not easy for me either, but we can try. I don't want a son who is afraid of me. I want a son who trusts me. Then you have to trust me too. Okay, we try. It won't be perfect, but we try. That's enough for me. And I'm sorry for making you feel that way, even if I didn't realize it. I'm sorry too for not saying it earlier. Maybe we both stayed quiet for too long. Yeah, and silence made everything worse. From now on, we talk. From now on, we listen. I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.